So what's up there? What's the news?
Oh, the latest, you know, Tim Sitwell.
Oh yeah, Tim Sitwell.
He's from Eastbourne.
Oh yeah, I know.
You haven't met him, haven't you? Well, he's doing this run, you see.
Oh yeah, what kind of runs he doing then?
Well, he's doing it for his ma, isn't he?
Is he doing it for his ma?
Yeah, his ma.
What a lovely soul he's doing it for his ma.
Well, you've got to do it for your ma.
Well, you've got to do it for
Bless
your
her
ma.
heart, you
So
know.
what's he up to? What's he doing with his ma?
Well, he's doing this big run down in Eastbourne.
What, like a marathon or a run or
Yeah, so I
something?
think you better cough up, haven't you?
What is it, a big one, a little one? I mean, what's he doing?
No, it's a big run. Is it a marathon or a half marathon?
Half marathon.
Half marathon, yeah, that's be enough for him. He's only got little legs, hasn't he? Don't think you make the full marathon, do you? So I think that, you know, one should cough up for him, really.
Well, I think we should sponsor him, don't we?
Yeah, exactly.
I think we should get as much
Sponsor
money
him.
in the coffers as we possibly can.
Yeah, what about that bloke over there? And you as well, mate.
Yeah.
Cough up for Sitwell,
Yeah.
or
We'll be round.
you'll be answering to us, all right?
Cough up for Sitwell or else.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, sponsor Sitwell.
Go on, Timmy boy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice one.
Cheers, Tom. Nice to see you again,
Yeah.
by the way.
What are you saying?
So, you doing any touring or anything?
No, I'm doing a little bit of sort of that.